Welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into best Finelo AI chart analyzers. So let's quickly dive into it. The Finelo app offers an AI chart analyzer that stands out for its ease and versatility. You can upload or screenshot any chart, stock, crypto or forex, and the tools automatically highlight the trend, support resistance level, and common patterns like head and shoulder. It's particularly useful for beginners who struggle with manual technical analysis rather than figuring out dozens of indicators. You get AI generated insight and a clearer picture of what's happening. However, keep in mind it's an educational tool, not a guarantee of trade season. The app emphasizes that it's for learning and practice. So if this helped, hit the like, subscribe for more quick app breakdown, and comment if you like a comparison of Finelo AI tools versus free chart analysis app. And that's it.